Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to a network of physical devices, vehicles, appliances, and other objects embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity, enabling them to collect and exchange data over the Internet. These devices can interact with each other and with central systems, providing valuable insights and enabling automation, control, and monitoring of various processes. Benefits of IoT. 1. Improved efficiency. IoT enables real-time data collection and analysis, leading to better resource management and process optimization. It streamlines operations, reduces wastage, and improves overall efficiency. 2. Enhanced productivity. IoT devices can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up human resources to focus on more complex and strategic activities, resulting in increased productivity. 3. Cost savings. By optimizing processes, reducing downtime, and predicting maintenance needs, IoT can lead to cost savings in various industries, including manufacturing, energy, and logistics. 4. Smart decision making. IoT devices provide real-time data, enabling businesses to make data-driven decisions promptly. This leads to better insights and improved decision-making processes. 5. Remote monitoring and control. IoT allows remote monitoring and control of devices and systems, enabling businesses to manage operations from anywhere, improving scalability and flexibility. 6. Predictive maintenance. IoT sensors can monitor equipment and detect potential issues in real time, enabling proactive maintenance, reducing downtime, and preventing costly breakdowns. 7. Improved customer experience. IoT enables businesses to gather customer data and preferences, providing personalized experiences and services, which can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. 8. Healthcare advancements. IoT has revolutionized healthcare with wearable devices, remote patient monitoring, and telemedicine, leading to improved patient outcomes and reducing healthcare costs. 9. Environmental impact. IoT can be used for environmental monitoring and conservation efforts, leading to reduced energy consumption and waste, contributing to sustainability goals. 10. Safety and security. IoT devices can enhance safety and security measures in various industries, including home security, industrial safety, and disaster management. 11. Supply chain optimization. IoT enables real-time tracking of goods and materials, improving inventory management, reducing delays, and enhancing the overall efficiency of supply chains. 12. Smart cities. IoT plays a crucial role in building smart cities by optimizing infrastructure, traffic management, waste management, and public services, making cities more sustainable and livable.